Alright, here we are. We're just walking around looking for Steve. Should be here somewhere. Oh, Steve.
Mate, I'm already lamenting the loss of my beloved yellow Tenere. Dave Darcy still calls it the Mad TV Tenere, but that says something, doesn't it? I mean, it's a pretty special bike. I'm just looking, the competition's over. If you haven't got your entry in by spending $300 with Adventure Moto, you're not in it to win it. But all those people who have done that, we draw next week on the 10th. And I think we've got to...
We do some work on it.
Jeff, do you think we could throw a couple of sets of tyres on the bike before we give it away, mate?
Got a couple in here, mate.
Yeah, all right, good. We'll put some new tyres. I'll get out the toothbrush, give it a polish. It's just come back from Technic Suspension or Technic Motorsports with Nick up there, and they've done a great job on giving, from the feedback that Greg from Ride ADV and myself have given. They've updated the suspension on the bike. Really happy with it. It's got the Outback Mototech X panniers, the crash bars, their bash plate. Really solid stuff. Kookaburras are laughing at me. They're saying, "You silly bastard, you're giving away your bike." Hey, but you know what? We're going to do it again next year. We're going to give away another bike. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's going to be special.
There's Jeff with a set of tyres. You can throw them on, Steve?
Yeah, we'll throw those on today.
Or you'll throw them on?
Yeah, I'll throw them on.
Throw them on, yeah.
Right. Hey, Greg, can you show me how to throw them on, mate?
Yeah, we'll get Jeff to do it.
But anyway, look, here it is. It's done under 10,000 Ks. It's not a new bike, but it's broken in. It's a beloved bike. It's fantastic.
It's a well set up bike is what it is.
And it's well set up. It's got the RNG side covers. It's got IMS foot pegs. It's got a lot of great stuff on it. Good luck. I hope whoever is listening to this, one of you guys, I hope you win it. Fantastic.